New study assesses animal livestock raising as the most polluting industry. Researchers from the United States-based Carnegie Mellon and Stanford universities found that intensive livestock and fish production in the U.S. cost the highest in health and environmental damages when compared to their input to the economy. The scientists estimated that the gross external damage, or GED, of animal livestock farms is twice as much as what the farms input economically. Gross external damage is measured by the premature human deaths arising from air pollution. In poultry farming, the gross external damage ranges from 3 to 7 times more than the economic input, as poultry litter emits massive amounts of fine particulate matter, including PM 2.5. Currently, PM 2.5 causes 90% of the 100,000 yearly premature deaths from air pollution in the US. Be veg, go green, to save the human race.